looks phenomenal.
See you at dinner. Shovel full at a time, walk it into shore, put it in a bucket, and then I sift it with the screen to get all the shells and all the impurities out. And then I stack it up here, and then when I'm ready to start putting it in the form, then I use the grill sifted sand, and that holds together, makes it it's real fine sand so that I can do something like that.
Why did you choose like a chapel?
I like doing chapels, and a lot of people around here like them as well. And we're doing a memorial for someone who passed away on the beach. His name is Sal, and he was a regular that came here every year at this time. And so I'm going to incorporate his name and everything into the piece. Yeah.
How can it hold like this?
It's this, you mix it with sand and water, you mix the sand with the water, and you always add the sand to the water, and once it sifts through, you press on it and just pack it in, and then it's solid because it's so fine. It's such the fine particles.
So it took 8 days to make this.
It took 8 days to make it, and took 2 days on top of that to get the sand out of the ocean and sifted and ready to use.
So you do this the whole vacation?
Well, I'm here for 3 weeks, so I usually work on it 10 or 11 days over the 3-week period.
How long have you been to Aruba, and how long did you think to make this?
So I started, we've been coming here 21 years, and I used to just mess around with the kids on the beach, and then I just figured a lot of this stuff out on my own. And then I was in a sand sculpting competition like 10 years ago, and I met true sculptors, and then I learned a lot. After that, I learned, some more tricks and refined everything.
When you are building this, how does the structure hold besides water and sand? Is there the way, and how long does it stay to?
So when I finish, you always start at the top and work down. So when I finish a section, like each one of those would be a section, then I spray it with a glue and water mixture, and that helps keep the moisture in. It's like putting a coat of paint on your house. It doesn't hold it, but it keeps the moisture in, and the moisture is what's holding the sand together.
Any last words for this?
No, that should be it.